Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how your BMW i3's 12V battery is charged. This auxiliary battery powers crucial vehicle electronics, ensuring everything from your lights to your infotainment system works. It's important to understand that the i3's design means the 12V battery is primarily maintained by the car's high-voltage system, not by direct external charging. We'll clarify the proper approach to ensure its health. Your i3's 12V battery receives its charge from the main high-voltage battery. This happens automatically when your vehicle is plugged into an AC charger or when the car is in ready mode or being driven. If you experience issues with your 12V battery, such as a battery discharged while stopped message, the recommended solution is to connect your main EV charger. To recharge your 12V battery, simply connect your level 2 AC charger to your i3's main charging port. Make sure the charging flap is completely open before you plug in the connector. Once connected, the car's internal systems will manage the 12V battery's charge. It may take up to 30 minutes for the 12V battery to begin rate charging through this process. To ensure the longevity of your 12V battery, consistently charge your main traction battery. This allows the car's system to keep the 12V battery topped up. Avoid leaving your i3 unplugged for very long periods, as this can lead to a discharged 12V battery. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your daily life. Proper maintenance of your main battery is key to a healthy 12V system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.